If you want to earn extra cash from home, Remotasks is a great option. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make money with Remotasks. First, log into your account. If you haven't created one yet, sign up using Google or Facebook for a faster process. After selecting your account, fill out the registration form with the required details. It's essential to use a valid phone number for two-factor authentication, as it's mandatory for account verification. Once logged in, you'll see the task dashboard where different tasks are available. These tasks include image tagging, data annotation, audio labeling, and more. The platform has a tier system, which offers benefits like increased work availability, better customer support, and faster payments. The more tasks you complete, the higher your tier and the more rewards you earn. Before starting, set up your payment method. Go to the Pay settings and link your PayPal or RTM account. This ensures you receive payments for completed tasks. Once your payment method is connected, browse through available tasks and select one that matches your skills. Some tasks may require specific training or qualifications, so read the task description carefully before starting. You can track your progress within the platform. If a task requires additional verification, follow the provided instructions to unlock it. For example, transcription tasks may require you to transcribe text from images or websites. If a task isn't accessible, try selecting another one. Follow the given prompts, complete the task, and submit your work for review. Double-check your work before submitting, as incomplete or incorrect submissions may be rejected. The more accurate tasks you complete, the higher your earnings. Payments are processed for approved tasks, and Remotasks supports multiple payment options like PayPal and direct bank transfers. Payments are typically made weekly or monthly, depending on the chosen method. You can check your earnings under the Balance section. Make sure your payment method is active to receive payouts. Keep in mind that transaction fees may apply. To increase your earnings, aim to complete tasks regularly, take certification exams, and improve your skills. By following these steps, you can start making money with Remotasks in no time.